Success. It's the one thing we all chase, isn't it? It doesn't matter where you come from, your age, or your background. Everybody wants to make it, but here's the thing about success. It doesn't always arrive in the way we expect, and that's okay. Whether you're trading stocks, managing options, or venturing into new investments, the path isn't always clear. It can feel like walking in a storm without an umbrella, but let me tell you something. Every challenge, every stumble, every lesson brings you closer to the moment when it all clicks. Success isn't about perfection. It's not about getting every trade right or timing the market perfectly. It's about resilience. It's about showing up day after day, learning, adapting, and refusing to give up when it gets tough. Think of every small win, the times you followed your strategy, the moments you stayed disciplined. Those are your building blocks. They may seem small now, but they're laying the foundation for something extraordinary. Sometimes, success comes in whispers, a great trade, a lesson learned, a confidence boost. And other times, it's loud, a breakthrough moment, a streak of wins, or financial freedom. But no matter how it comes, your job is to keep going, to trust the process and believe in your potential. When you feel doubt creeping in, remember this. The most successful traders, the ones you look up to, weren't born knowing how to win. They struggled, they learned, and they grew, just like you're doing now. So today, I challenge you. Don't just aim for success, embrace the journey that leads you there. Celebrate the small wins, learn from the losses, keep your eyes on the prize, but never forget that the climb is what makes the view worth it. You've got this, and I can't wait to see where your hard work takes you. Keep pushing, keep learning, and remember, success might surprise you, but it'll always be worth it.